Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. You read that title right. I purchased the 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster service manual for my motorcycle. The Bible, guys, the Bible, I got it here. Alright, so before I get into that, I just want to say, if this is the first time you're finding my channel, you're tuning in, if you like part installs, if you like moto vlogs, if you like gear reviews, if you like seeing maintenance done on motorcycles, this is the channel for you. Pound that subscribe button now, and you're going to get to see a lot of good content. Go on my channel, look at all the other videos I've already done. Think you'll like them. Hit the like button, hit the bell so you get notifications when new videos are coming out. Very excited, a lot of stuff coming up, so let's get into this. All right, guys, so this here you get with your bike. This is the owner's manual. It'll tell you, some basic stuff. It'll tell you when to bring your bike to Harley for service, to pay $300 or $400 for a service, and all of that money, which I really think is crazy, but yeah, this is just basic information, okay? This right here is the Bible for working on your motorcycle, all right? And it doesn't come cheap. I found this on eBay. It was listed for $199. It was brand new in the package and everything, but the guy had make an offer. So, of course, I started low, went back and forth. I ended up getting it for $175, guys, all right? But if this book allows me to do a few of the services on my own, on my Harley Davidson, this book is going to pay for itself. And I want to do some other part installs and stuff. This has all the information about any fluids, any torque, anything you need to know should be in this book, all right? So if I open it up here to page 1-9, this shows you the maintenance schedule, what you should be doing on your bike at what mileages, and it also tells you how to perform those services, all right? And also in this book, it not only shows you everything and tells you, but it's got pictures and diagrams, and it goes over everything. So if there's any question, you could go to this as the reference. It is a great, I'll call it a tool, even though it's a book. It's a great tool to have for your motorcycle. And like I said, you do a couple services yourself, it'll pay for itself. And guys, Tim Finning, Moto John, Road Rash HD. I know you guys all drive the same bike as me. If you run into a bind and you have a question and you can't get the answer, guess what? This fool spent the money, but you send me an email, you get in touch with me, I'll take pictures of the pages for you, whatever. I got to look out for my buddies on there. Also, what I want to say a thank you to the people that are already subscribed to my channel, all right? I try to watch everybody's videos. I love them. I love all your videos. Sometimes there's not enough time in the day to watch them all and get to the end of all of them. But for you, Easy Rider, if I don't make it all the way, I will slide it to the end. I know you ask me to do that, but I always try to make it to the end and give you the full views. But what I want to say here is, guys, if you're nearing your watch time and you're a little short and you need more people to watch, leave a comment in this video. While I'm sitting there editing videos for my channel, I'll go over. If I missed any of your videos, I'll make sure to go watch them. Give you the watch time. It's the least I could do for all the support you guys have given me. Really appreciate it. All right? So I did do something on my bike. I filmed the video. That one's going to be coming out soon. I'm sure if you look around, you might know which one it is. Very excited about that. So that's about going to wrap this video up. Ooh, I love my new book. I love my new book. Alright, so guys, please do me a favor. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. That's going to end this video. And remember, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.